My name is Veera Reddy, lecturer in Computer Science, Xavier Government Degree College, Sattupalli, Khammam district. My topic is indexing. What is an indexing? Indexing is a data structure technique which allows you to quickly retrieve records from database file. Indexing is a technique. It is used to retrieve the data from the database. An index is a small table having only two columns. Indexing is only two columns. We seen in the book. In the book, we have index. What we have in the index? Page number, content of the page. This is the index of the book in the first pages. Here also, indexing is only two columns. The first column comprises a copy of the memory or candidate key of a table. Second column contains set of pointers for holding the address of the disk block, where that specific key value stored. Where the specific key value stored. Here, the first column is compresses a key of the primary key or a candidate key of a table. Second key contains the set of pointers holding the address, where that specific key value stored. An index takes a such key as input, efficiently return a collection of matching records. Here, indexing is takes a such key as input, such key where you want to what you want to search, that is such key, that is a input. Efficiently returns a collection of matching records. In the DBMS index tutorial, we will learn type of indexes. First one, index, primary index, green color. In the secondary index, in the yellow color, clustering. Here in a primary indexing, we have density and space. First, database indexing defined based on the indexing attributes. Two main types. First one is the primary, second one is the secondary indexing. The first one, primary indexing, is an ordered file which is fixed length. Ordered file which is fixed length size with two fields. Here, primary indexing is an ordered file which is fixed length size with zero fields. Size with two fields. The first field is the same as primary key and second field is pointed to that specific data block. In the primary index, there is always one-to-one relationship between the entries in the index table. Here primary indexing and secondary indexing. We have a two type of indexings, mainly two methods. First one primary. In the primary indexing, an ordered file which is fixed length size with two fields. The first field is the same a primary key and second field pointed to the specific data block in the primary index. There is always one-to-one relationship between the entries in the index table. The primary indexing is also further divided into two types. First one is density index, space index. Density index. Here density index a record created for every search key valued in the database. This helps to you search faster but need more space to store index record. Here this indexing method record contain search key value points to the real record on the disk. Here we have two blocks 10, 20, 30, 40. And 50, 60, 70, 80. Here 10, 20, the right side column box, 32, 40, 32, 40, 50 to 60, 70 to 80. This is the index, density index. Here such keys values are points to the real record on the disk. Next one, sparse index. It is an index record that appears for only same of the values in the file. Sparse index helps you to resolve the issues of density indexing. In this method of indexing technique, a range of index columns stores the same data block address, and when the data needs to be retrieved, the block address will be patched. It is an indexed record, appears only with the same of the values in the file. Sparse index helps you resolve the issues of the density indexing. With the method of indexing technique, it is a range of index columns stored in the same data block. Here sparse index stores records for only some such key values. It needs less space to maintenance overhead of insertion and deletion, but it is slower compared to the Dennis inbox for locating records. Example for sparse index, it is a just taken 3, 10, 30 and 70. This is a indexing of search key values. What do you want to search? This key is only it displays. This is one of the indexing. The second one is the secondary indexing. The secondary index can be generated by field which has a unique value for each record. It should be candidate key, also known as the non-clustering index. In the secondary key, You have a unique value for each record. It should be a candidate key. This two level of database indexing techniques is used to reduce the mapping size of the first level. For the first level, large range of members is selected because of the mapping size always remains small. Example for secondary indexing: in a bank account database, data is stored sequentially by account number. You may want to find all accounts of a specific branch of something bank. In a bank account database, data is stored in a sequential by account number. Want to file all accounts in a specific branch? Here you have to secondary index for every such key. Index record is a record point to a bucket that contains pointers to all the records with their specific search key values. Here, this is the secondary key 1 to 1, 10, 20, 30, 40. This is the secondary key values 10, 20. The pointers is allotted. First one 3, 2, 1 and 2. Here you want to retrieve the data from the database file. From 10, the pointer of the 10 pointer key, the 10 will be accessed. This is the secondary key. This is the clustering index. Secondary index. The clustering index. In this clustering index, records themselves are stored in the index, not pointers. Sometimes the index is created on non-primary key columns, which might not be unique for each record. In such a situation, you can group 2 or more columns to get the unique values to create the index. That is called as the unique value is called as the primary key or non-composite primary key, which called clustering index is also help you identify the record faster. Here clustering indexing stored in the index, not a pointers. The index created on non-primary key columns. Non-primary key columns is nothing but you selected as a primary key other than the primary key columns, which might not be a unique for each record. In this situation, you can group the 2 or more columns to get the unique values. That is called as the opposite primary key or other than any key, the clustering index. In this help you identify the record faster. Let us assume that a company recruited many employees in various departments. In this case, clustering index should be created for all employees who belong to the same department. Let assume that a company recruit many employees in the various departments. In this case, clustering indexing should be created for all employees who belongs to the same department. It is considered in a single cluster. In index points point to the cluster as a whole. Here department number is a non-unique key. Department number is a non-unique key. What is multi-level indexing? Multi-level indexing is here we see once again here indexing is a structure that is allowed to to retrieve the data in quickly. We have a indexing have a small table with two columns. The first column compares the copy of the primary key or candidate key of a table. Its second column contains a set of pointers for holding address of the disk block where the specific key value stored. Here the specific key value stored. Takes a search key as input. Efficiently returns a collection of the matching record. Efficiently returns. It gives the retrieves in the matching record. Here search key as the input. We have taken a two columns. First column is the primary key. The second column is the pointers for holding the address of the specific key value stored, where the specific key value is stored. Here index has primary indexing, secondary indexing and clustering indexing. In the primary indexing we have two. We see primary indexing. First you see the primary indexing, fixed size with the two fields. The first field is the same as primary key and second field points in the specific data block in the primary index. It is also the one of the relationship between entire entries in the index table. We have divided our index also divided into two types, dense index and space index. First, dense. In the index, created every search key value in the database that help you to search faster but needs more space to store index record. In this indexing method, record contains search key value and points to the real records on the disk. Space index is index appears for only some of the values in the file. Space index helps you to resolve the issues of the dense indexing. In this method of indexing techniques, a range of index columns stores in the same data blocks and address. This is the example for this one. The next one is the secondary indexing. It is generated by the field which has a unique values for the each record, and it should be a candidate key, also known as non-clustering index. This two-level database indexing technique is used to reduce a mapping size. Example for secondary key: in a bank database, you have entered the sequential order in the bank account, specific branch. You want to find the account, all accounts in the particular sequence. Here you have to secondary index for every search key. Index record is a record point to a bucket that contains pointers to all the records with their sequence specific search key value. This is the secondary key. Next, clustering index. Clustering index records themselves stored in the index, not pointers. It is non-primary key. You may take more than 2 or 3 columns to find out the unique value. Identify the records faster. Secondary key employees, for example, a company or a company can recruit many number of employees in the various departments. In this case, clustering index should be created an employees who is belongs to the same department. Here single cluster, index points, cluster as well whole, here department number and non-keys. What is multi-level indexing? Here we see in the indexing there, indexing, primary indexing and secondary indexing and clustering. Here multi-level indexing. Multi-level indexing is created when a primary indexing does not fit in memory. If the primary indexing index not fit in memory. In this type of indexing method, you can reduce the number of disk access to sort any record and kept on the disk as a sequential file and create a space base on that file. Here index on A, index on B, indexing, here pointers to data. Next one, B-tree index. B-tree index is a widely used data structure for indexing. It is a multi-level index format technique which is balanced binary search trees. All leaf nodes of the B tree signify actual data pointers. Moreover, all leaf nodes are interlinked with a linked list, which allows a B tree to support both random and sequential access. All leaf nodes are interlinked with a link set, which allows a B tree to support both random and sequential access. Here B tree with n is equal to 3. Here leaf nodes must have between 2 and 4 values. Even path from the root to leaf are mostly on the equal length. Non-leaf apart from the root node have between 3 or 5 children nodes. Every node which is not a root or leaf has between n by 2 and n childrens. Advantages of indexing. Important pros, advantages of indexing are: it helps you to reduce the total number of input-output operations needed to retrieve data, so you don't need to access a raw in the database from an index structure. Offer faster search and retrieval of the data to users. Here it helps to reduce the total number of input-output operations needed to retrieve data. You don't need to access raw in the database from an index structure. Offer faster search and retrieval of your data to users. Indexing also helps you to reduce table space, as you don't need to link to the row in the table, as there is no need to store row in the index. Thus you will be able to reduce the table space. You can't store data in the lead nodes as the value of the primary key classifies it. Disadvantage of indexing, cons of indexing. How's cons? To perform the indexing database management system, you need a primary key on the table with a unique values. You must be a primary key or any other keys. You don't perform any other indexes on the indexed data. You don't perform any other indexes on the indexed data. You are not allowed to partition on index organized table. SQL indexing describes performance in insertion, deletion and updating query. Here we seen the advantages of indexing and disadvantages of indexing and B-tree indexing and multi-level indexing. This is the multi-level indexing, this is the B-tree indexing. Here multi-level indexing have not fit in memory if multi-level indexing is created when the primary indexing is not fit in the memory. In this type of indexing method, you can reduce the number of disk accesses. Here we see the multi-level indexing. Here binary B-tree indexing. It is a multi-level indexing format technique. It is balanced binary search tree. All leaf nodes of the B tree signifies actual data pointers. Here we see an advantages of the indexing and disadvantages of the indexing. You see an advantages here. Disadvantages are you need the primary key in the table. You don't perform any other indexing on the indexed data. You are not allowed to partition on the index organized table. SQL indexing decreases performance of insert, delete and update queries. The next topic is multi-key file organization in database management system. Multi-key file organization. In this part, we will introduce two basic file organizations that permit record to be accessed by more than one key field, therefore allowing multiple access paths, each having a dissimilar key. There are known multi-key file organization. These file organization methods are heart of the database execution. Here we have a multi-key file organizations based on the building indexes to provide direct access to the key values. In this multi-key file organizations are multi-list file organization, inverted file organization. Here identify multiple access path. multiple access path. Multiple access paths are often a consequence of confusing group structures and direct access rights. Here, in practice, it often happens that remove only one access path and then wonder why the user still has access with ARM. You can see all existing access path with just a few clicks. This is the basis of completely removing all access paths. Multi-listed file organization. Here, multi-listed file organization. Multi-listed file organizations is a multi-index linked file organization. A linked file organization is logically organization where physical ordering of records is not a concern. In linked organizations, that is, the series of records is governed by the link that verify the next record in series. Linking of record can be unordered. It is linking very costly, searching for information from a file. In addition to make order during linking, search by the file can you further facilitate by producing primary and secondary indexes. All these ideas are supported in the multi-list file organization. Let us describe this concept further with the help of an example. Consider the employee data as given in figure. The second number are given as alphabet. For the better explanation, suppose that EMPID is the key field of the data record. Let us describe the multi-list file organization for the data files. Here we have record number, employee ID, name, job, qualification, gender, city, married or single, salary. This is the table. Your records are ABCD, employee ID 800, 500, 900 like that, name, job, software engineer, manager, like that, qualification, BTech, MCA, like that, gender, male or female, city, any city, New Delhi, like this, married or single, married or single, salary 15,000-18,000 like that. Here entered 5 records. Thus the primary key of a file is employee ID. Thus the linked order of record should be defined as B500, E600, D700 like that. Though as the file size will grow, the such performance of the file would deteriorate. Therefore, we can make a primary index on the file place not in the file record in the logical series and tie it together. Here, thus the primary key will be linked index file rather than the black index. Here, next one, inverted file organization. Inverted or indexed access file organization. In the inverted file organization, one index is maintained for each key attribute of the record. The index file contains the value of the key attribute followed by the address of all records in the main file with the same value of the key attribute. This is the inverted file organization. Thank you.